In this simple After Effects tutorial, we will learn how to make this super cool looking dusty particle kind of logo reveal. And this one is super simple. We just need one effect and no plugins at all. So I'd say let's just take 3 minutes and just go right into it. So let's make a new composition and just hit OK. And let's import our logo, which we should have as a transparent PNG file, and just put it into here. And now we can press S on the keyboard to just scale it to whatever we like. Yeah, this should look good. And yeah, now we can already right click on it and go to pre-compose. And then we have to make sure that these settings are selected. So just copy this one, because by default maybe it's like that, but we need that. And then just hit OK. And yeah, let's also just add a background real quick, black solid for, yeah, just so it looks nicer. And yeah, now we can already look for the effect that we need, which is the scatterize effect. So just look in for CC scatterize and just apply it. And yeah, we only have like 4 settings in here, which makes it super simple. So what we have, maybe I'll just show you. So we have like the scatter, which is like, yeah, these particle kind of, yeah, animation. And then we can also give it a twist, which looks really cool. And yeah, let's first of all bring this back to 0 and just animate this. So maybe we can just go to the point in our composition where we want it to be finalized, so where we want this logo to be fully present, and then just put in keyframes in here at scatter for 0 and the right twist also 0. And then we can go back to the beginning, like the real beginning, and put in something like 300 in here and 2 in here. And now if we play this animation, we can already see this looks super cool. It will take some time to pre-render because this is kind of heavy for the computer, but it should look amazing, just like this. And I think this is super nice. The only thing by default is that I think the end of this is kind of like abrupt. It's like really, it's too quick. So maybe we can even open up the graph editor and slow this down a bit to give this like a smooth fade basically. And yeah, so let's just open this up and click this button on here for the graph editor. And now we can just play with the curves a bit. So let's first of all double click the scatter curve. So all this is selected, and then hit this little thing down here, the easy ease button. And now we can just bring this a bit more to here, so we can see the end is just a really slow curve, just like this. Just make sure the curve looks like this. And the same thing for the right twist. We can just double click it, press the easy ease button, and also slow this down here. And now if we play this animation, it will be more fast in the middle or the beginning, and then just turn down for the actual logo reveal, which is just super nice. And as you can see, this still takes some time to pre-render. But now I hope you noticed the difference. I think this just looks way smoother. And yeah, that's it already. I hope you enjoyed this one, and see you next time.